Hello everyone, welcome to Eunoia Education. It's time for tips and tricks. Hi kids, are you ready to learn some tips that will make learning even more fun for you? Great, let's get started. Tip number 1, get organized. When you have a lot of things to learn or assignments to complete, it can be overwhelming, but you can make it easier by getting organized. Try to create a schedule, make to-do lists, and use color-coded notes to help you remember things. This way you will have a clear idea of what you need to do and you won't forget anything. Tip number 2, take breaks. You might think that working for hours on end is the best way to get things done, but it isn't. Taking breaks actually helps you to improve your focus and retention. Do something you enjoy, like going for a walk, reading a book, or playing with a pet. Just make sure to take regular breaks to refresh your mind. Tip number 3, use mnemonic devices. Mnemonic devices are tools that help you remember information. Some examples include acronyms like HOMES for the Great Lakes of North America or VIBGEO for the colors of the rainbow. Try to create your own mnemonic devices to help you remember things you need to learn. Tip number 4, teach someone else. If you are having trouble learning something or remembering it, try teaching it to a friend, parent, or sibling. By explaining it to someone else, you will be able to understand it better and remember it easier. Tip number 5, be an active learner. Participate in class, ask questions, and take notes. Engage with the material by doing activities, creating things, and connecting it to your own experiences. The more active you are in your learning, the more you will understand and remember things. So, hope you all get something from this video and it is helpful. I'm sure you will try all these points and tips. And for more tips and tricks, you can subscribe our channel. Remember kids, learning should be fun. Try these tips out and see how it makes a difference. Have a great, wonderful day, my little kids.